Sunflower field of dreams. Nothing is what it seems.
I'm gonna shine like a bird in the sky. Gonna wake up each day and realize when you're young, having fun, living out your life. Born to fly, born to fly.
Here's the story of a boy. This life he was here to enjoy, on a voyage to a land and so much more. Told her you are my shooting star, I am your glowing lightning bolt. The sound of thunder roars, set floating my titanium space boat in the galaxy of love. Amazing heavenly above, a vibrant place of gold, draped in love from head to toe, capable of making angels show. Diamond coated rainbows from Cairo to San Diego. Music is able to make me dance in the rain and the snow. The playground of love is oh so playful. I'm getting philosophical like Aristotle and Plato, trying to be people's role models, take it from the heart of gold. Conscious of my earth and the well-being of people, so let's shine on kindness and annex all evil. Life is a miracle, so let's be thankful for every day we have right here. Smile on, my friends.
I'm gonna shine like a bird in the sky. Gonna wake up each day and realize you're young, having fun, living out your life. You were born to fly, born to fly, born to fly.
You are the utopia I'm envisioning. You are a diamond glistening. My ears are listening to your heart. I'm visiting my alien colony. Blissful insanity, it's a canopy of love and mellow trees, waterfalls of ecstasy. The love of you makes me so crazy. The skies are blue and it's made for me, spontaneously wandering around aimlessly. This is the way I was supposed to be, living it up vocally. Hopefully everybody can party with me to the end of time till infinity.